Welcome to this Hindenburg Journalist and Hindenburg Journalist Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, we will add additional media to our radio piece. Let's begin at the end and see what an enhanced podcast looks like.
Suppose your question was not, is there any life and technology in the universe, but are there any fish in the oceans of the planet Earth?
A podcast is a radio program that you can listen to whenever it suits you. An enhanced podcast lets you do even more. In an enhanced podcast, you can jump to any point of interest in the radio program. You can add images and links.
It is a needle in a haystack search without any guarantee that there's even a needle out there.
To date, we have not done anything like what's required.
All this makes listening to a podcast a more pleasurable and intuitive experience. Enhanced Podcast is the first glimpse of a future radio experience. Now let's go back to Hindenburg Journalist and see how we can produce an enhanced podcast. I will begin by opening a finished radio piece. Now I would like to add some chapters so it's possible for the listener to navigate in the radio piece. In the View menu, we find and click on Chapters. And the Chapters window opens. At the moment it's empty since there's no chapters. Going back to the workspace, I can set chapter markers at any point in the radio piece. I right-click in the timeline and choose Add Chapter, and a yellow chapter marker will appear. And a new entry is made in the chapter view. I can also move the chapter marker or delete it. Once I have set my chapter markers, I can add new media to them. I can drag any image to the chapter. I can move the image around so it fits the view. And even zoom. I can give the chapter a new name. And add a link to a web page. The URL title is what the listener will see as a link name in the podcast. Now the radio piece is ready for publishing. Note that currently only the audio file format AAC supports the new media content. So when publishing, please use the AAC file format.
That's Simone Ackerman's, the Simone of Simone and Kipski.
That kind of evolved into, more technology. Our first 4-track recorder.
Ackerman says the band's music mixes the layered beats popular with his childhood favorites, Public Enemy, with guitars, drums.
I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.